Alright guys, what's up? I just want to do a very quick video on sharing some information on the 2013 KX250f SFF spring side fork. So a lot of the SFF forks on the KX250Fs are a lot easier to do than this one. This one's the toughest, at least for me. On a few years, you can knock them out really easy if you have that Racetech spring compressor. I think 14 and newer, you can actually just take apart at the top and then pull everything out the top, so it's real easy. But at least the 13 model, maybe a couple other more years, you can't put the compressor in here and take it apart. So basically, you need somebody to help you loosen up this bottom bolt on the bottom, and then you'll need somebody to help you push down on the top. And that bottom bolt will push out far enough for you to stick this in there and grab it, and then you can use that to take it off. But to put it back together, whenever you push down on this cartridge, it won't always want to come through the bottom perfectly because it doesn't really line up perfectly. So my workaround is this KTM tool, 584290890, because the inside of this is threaded the same and will thread right onto the cartridge damper rod. So you can thread this on, and you can actually drop this straight through your fork and it'll come out the bottom, and then you've got something to grab onto and pull that rod as somebody else is pushing down on this spring. And you've also got this hole so you can put a T-handle or an Allen wrench or something through and really pull on it. And then you'll be pulling it through the bottom, and then you can slide your holder on it and it'll stay until you tighten things up again. So that's just a little tip. There's not much out there on YouTube about the 2013 KX250F. It's kind of its own SFF fork, different than the other years, I believe. So it's kind of a pain in the butt. So if you're stuck, there's a way you can get around it. Thanks a lot, guys. See you in the next one.